Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing video to share with you, and I've got Latest in Beauty. This is the March the Glow Down Edit box. So as always, if you're new to Latest in Beauty, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what items I chose in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Latest in Beauty is a UK monthly subscription box, but with a little bit of a difference because you get to choose the items that go inside the box. At the start of every month, Latest in Beauty bring out an edit and they show you exactly the products that they're going to be releasing bit by bit all throughout the month so that you have an idea of the items that are going to be available. So they offer 3 types of subscriptions. You've got a rolling monthly subscription which comes in 3 different types of boxes. So you've got the first box, which is a 3 product box, which will cost you £9. That includes shipping. Then you've got a £15 box, which is what I've got. That will cost you £15. And then you've got a 9 product box, which will cost you £18. They also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost as well. Now there's always discount codes to be had. So if I can find one to take off a monthly subscription or a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, I'll pop down below, and all links and everything to the subscription box and their website I'll pop down below. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up description and everything will be listed down there. So say for instance you decide to take out a subscription on say the 20th of March, you've got until the end of March to choose your products, and then you will have to wait until the 20th of April before you can choose your items for April. So it all depends on the date you set up your subscription. I hope that makes sense. Also, you have got the flexibility of going up a subscription or down a subscription. So your first box is a 6 product box. You then can choose a 9 product box if you see April's edit and you think, whoa, there's loads of stuff in there, I'd really like to go for the 9 product box. You can do that before your next payment date is due. Also, you can go down to 3 products, and also you can cancel if you opt for a monthly subscription. They also do limited edition boxes, non-subscription, so you get to see what's in the boxes. If you want them, you buy them. If not, then you don't have to. They've just released a brand new one. It's called Balance, and it costs £30 and it has a value of over £120. So they bring these boxes out roughly every couple of weeks. So they do come around quite quickly, and I was lucky enough to be sent one of their latest boxes which came out a couple of weeks ago. You get to choose 6 products out of a big range of items. A lot of the products are sold out, but there's still a good range there. So I'll put details of it down below, but I just thought I'd show you the items that I was sent. If you didn't already know, sorry, I should have said right at the start, these are PR boxes. I'm on Latest in Beauty's PR list, so they send me their monthly subscription boxes. I get to choose the items, but they send them to me monthly, and also they sometimes send me their limited edition boxes so I can show you and tell you all about it on my channel. So, woo, as you can see there, so there's 6 items you can choose in total for this particular box, but I'll put links down below, so if you're interested in looking at the limited edition boxes, then you can do so and browse through yourself. So on to the Glow Edit box then. So let's open it up and show you what I got. So lots of worms. I'll just get them out, there's loads there. And there you go, give you a quick sneak peek, show you what I chose. So the first item I chose came as a 2-piece. I've got a Saint-Tropez Purity Vitamin Mist, and I've got one of their mitts as well, which is always handy to have. So I've tried this, I've done a video on this, I did a bit of a review. I like to be really tanned. I like to spray loads and loads and loads of tan on me, and I found that this was really nice. It smelled amazing, it just smells all tropical and fruity, it is gorgeous. Glow boosting with vitamin C and D. It's a bronzing water mist. So it's a sort of spray that I would use it daily. I'd spray it every night before I go to bed just to give me a nice glow, and yeah, if I was going for a deeper tan, then I would go for something a bit stronger than this. So if you like a more subtle tan that you can control, I do recommend this. It is really lovely. So that's the first item, which came as a twosome. Next is a Pixy Glow Tonic. I love these. These are brilliant. I'm currently using one at the moment, and yeah, it's one of the best toners out there. I think so anyway. It's 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner, and it's 100 mils there. You can see better there. This is Latest in Beauty's Hall of Fame product. So I didn't say at the start, I forgot, but every month they bring out one product which is their star buy of the month, so to speak. So it means that it will not sell out. It'll be there from the start of the month until the end of the month. It means that anyone can get it, which is really good. So yeah, this is it. Last month we had a MAC lipstick in Chili, which is one of my favourite lipsticks. I love it. So yeah, the star buys are really good. So I was chuffed when I saw that. Then I got something I've received a few times, not probably in the last year maybe, but I have received it a few times in the past, and it is lovely. This is Skin Chemist London Rose Quartz Youth Defence Lip Plump, and it's a full-size lip plumper. As far as lip plumping goes, it's useless. On me anyway. I don't notice no difference whatsoever, but I really love it. How it makes my lips feel. I use it in the morning as part of my like skincare routine, and I just think it's amazing. It is gorgeous. There was a bit of pricing controversy surrounding this when it first came out. In some places it was selling for like nearly £100, which, okay, yeah, you do get products that are that price, not denying it, but then some places were selling it for like £40 or £45, so I haven't seen it for a while, so I haven't got a clue how much you can actually buy this for, but if I can find any of the products online, I'll pop them down below. So if you're interested in taking a look and see, if you're curious and seeing the costs and everything, then it'll all be down there. So that's the third item I chose. Next, I went for a massive moisturiser. Now this is 190 grams, Dermatological Citrabane Natural Oatmeal Cream. It moisturises dry and sensitive skin with natural oatmeal. Soothes and protects, 24-hour moisturisation, suitable from birth. Also suitable for eczema prone skin. Now the reason I got this is obviously we are all washing our hands a lot more than what we did before. We're doing it constantly throughout the day, and I'm noticing, especially my daughter, her arms up here are really, really dry. Now I've got lots of hand lotions. I like getting them in subscription boxes. I adore them, but some of them cause her to come out in a reaction. So because her skin is so dry from washing, some of them, I suppose it's like fragrance and things in it, isn't it? It's irritating. She's got very sensitive skin, so I thought, you know what, that might be really, really lovely for her. Apply to dry skin areas as often as required and smooth gently into the skin. Follow the direction of the hair growth for best results. Use as a daily moisturiser. So yeah, so I've got a rather large moisturiser. And then the last two products are the same. Well, not identical, but they are the same. As in, they are fake lashes or false lashes. And I couldn't really see online actually what they were like. I could see them, but I need to see things quite up close to be able to see whether they would suit me or not. The first pair I got here is H106, and these are by Eldora Handmade lashes, and these are stunning. These are exactly the type of lashes I love and would wear, and I would buy a load of these. I'll try them out first, but the reason I love them is because of they're too long, so I'd be chopping them about there, but I love the fact that they elongate out, so I love like creating like a cat eye effect, and the fact that they're darker as well. Perfect style of lashes for me. I love them. And these are the H119, so these are fuller. But these are the type of lashes I would wear if I was going for a sort of minimalist-ish sort of eye look. Maybe some shadow, definitely not an eyeliner, I think, for me. But with these ones, yeah, a nice big cat eye flick. I think they're gorgeous. So yeah, so I prefer these over these, but I am glad I got both of them. If I could have had two of these, I would have, but you can only have one. So those are all my items, so I'll just gather them all up. I'm holding them all over the place here, upside down to the side. Right, so in my 6 choices, in my £15 box, I've got the Hall of Fame product, which is the Pixy Glow Tonic. I've got a Saint-Tropez Purity Vitamin Facial Spray and a mitt. Then I've got a Rose Quartz Lip Plumper from Skin Chemist. I've got a large moisturiser from Citrabane, and I've got 2 sets of false eyelashes. Woo! So yeah, I am chuffed. Obviously I chose them. I knew what I was going to get, but no, actually seeing them in the flesh, I am really happy with the items that I chose. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of Latest in Beauty? What do you think of their collection boxes, their limited edition boxes? And do you subscribe? What sort of products did you choose this month? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.